In this video, we'll show you how to add money to Trust Wallet step by step, and in a quick and simple way. The first thing we need to do is open the Trust Wallet app and access our account. Once we're inside, we'll see our wallet and the different assets available. To add funds, we'll have several options depending on our region and the features available on our account. One of the easiest methods is to use the Buy option, which allows us to purchase cryptocurrency directly through Trust Wallet using the payment providers available. To do this, we'll select the cryptocurrency we want to buy and tap the corresponding option. Next, we'll enter the amount of money we want to add and choose an available payment method, such as a bank card or another supported option. Trust Wallet will then show us the different providers available for the purchase. It's important to compare the available options and review the price, fees, exchange rate, and amount of cryptocurrency we'll receive before confirming the transaction. Once we've selected a provider, we'll follow the instructions shown on the screen. Depending on the option we choose, we may need to verify our identity or enter the details of our payment method. It's very important to make sure that the address and network are correct before confirming a transfer, as sending funds to the wrong address or network may result in a permanent loss of the assets. And that's it. As you can see, adding money to Trust Wallet is a fairly simple process, although it's always important to review the fees, network, and transaction details carefully before confirming anything. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.